ना पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, ना पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफ़र करने का इरादा किया है। ना हारूंगा हौसला उम्र भर कभी, ये किसी से नहीं खुद से ही वादा किया है। हेलो एंड नमस्कार एंड गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन। This is Amit Kumar, one of the honorable student of English at Workplace. So today I am going to share my view about English at Workplace.
Dream and reality is called action. Yes, my all dear friends, if you want to do something, then stop wishing, start doing. Get up and come out from your comfort zone and start doing things. Just because if you want to change your dream into reality. So hello, this is Ashish here and going to represent my team. Actually there is a task which is given by my mentor and I am doing that. There are 4 members in my team including me.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Never hide your bad side to make someone stay. Show your bad side and see who can stay with you. So hey everyone, it's me Atithi Attractive, and I know guys what is going on your mind, that who I am and what I'm doing here after so many days. So guys, I am the student of English at Workplace, and trust me, I badly miss my institute today. That's why I thought, why should not I make a short video to share my experience with you. So guys, let's get started. Mr. Ayansik, oh my goodness, what should I say about him? He does not need any praise because he is the best and he is different. Guys, it's my personal opinion that when I attend his class, I never get bored. If you're looking for a good institute in affordable price, guys, you please come here and share your experience with us. I guarantee you, you will never be upset. You please come here. Thank you so much. Stay safe, guys.
One of the biggest fear, which is public speaking fear and also camera fear. So that I am trying to speak more open manner. And I have to tell you something, that I made some videos and so on which I am getting very good comment, so that I am feeling very more confident now, and in this way I will...
Good morning. The personality is speaking in front of you is none other than Rohit Prashad. I'd like to thank everyone for being here and giving me your precious time. So friends, if you are thinking why I am here and what I am going to do, so I want to tell you that I am here because I am going to represent the skill, a skill which I have and which I don't have. So first of all,
hey Oppo friends, this is Sakit over here from Oppo India. On behalf of Oppo entire team, I welcome you to the biggest launch of the year. Before we started, I sincerely hope that everyone is safe and healthy. As soon as the pandemic is going on across the world and in India, so I request you, please take a proper precaution, wear a mask, maintain a social distancing, and the most important thing, don't step out while absolutely necessary.
Today it's Nizar Faz, and today I gonna just want to share my experience with the English at Workplace and answer. So you can handle easily thousands of people if you have art of speaking. Yes guys, after attending my 2 months class, you cannot believe me, I command all my stress, fear as well as how to attract audience. It's a very
Friends, you cannot underestimate the importance of any language, especially English, when it is spoken in 43 countries by 400 million people globally. Hello and namaste to all the amazing viewers. It's me Sujit, and today I am going to share my own learning experiences that I collected from English at Workplace. Friends, after getting a lot of dissatisfaction and disappointment, I finally reached the English at Workplace. I experienced the real beauty of any language. As soon as I joined the English at Workplace, my all preconceived notion changed. I had never ever thought that learning English can be such a fun, frolic, easy task. Starting from giving influential introduction to passing through the gates of different practical activities, I could feel the real drastic change in my mental model. Having gone through these numerous activities, a strong confidence was deep-rooted in my head. I removed my stage fear, poor accent, and reluctancy. Behind all these accomplishments, I thank Mr. Ayansik, my English language trainer, and my all cooperative friends who truly boosted my confidence during my low spirit. The consistent efforts, the hard work and dedication which he was showing during his teaching, that was exceptional and phenomenal. Words cannot be long expressed about this institute. I just want to thank once again this institute for everything what you did to me. With this, once again, it's Sujit signing off from today's my experience with English at Workplace. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, it's me Amisha, student of Ayansa. I'm here to tell something about Ayansa and his teaching. He's a very good teacher. Trust me guys, you all will enjoy his session, his class. Whoever don't know English or whoever wants to learn more English, I think you all guys should choose Ayansa. Like seriously, he's amazing. The way he teaches is just so amazing. We all students enjoy every class, every session with him, even though like I'm too far from him. I'm from USA, he live in India, but still we join the session from Google Meet. It's just so awesome to see him, just so awesome to learn something from him. I enjoy every single session with him, and the students we have, all the friends, they are just so awesome. And like he is very good teacher. I think you all should choose him as your English learning teacher.
Avni Kuswaha. Today I am discussing about the topic given by my trainer Ayan sir, the activity of skill. You know that? If you know that, please you tell me what is the skill. After that, you please mention about your two skill you do have and you don't have the two skills. Onwards, I am talking about I have the two skills and I don't have the two skills. So firstly I am talking about the skills. What is the skills? The ability to do work anything with hard working, with confidence, with very good capacity. That is the skill. Secondly, I mention about what are the two skills I have.
Trainer Mr. Ayan Sheikh, he is really a man of genius among the men of talent. He is a real observer of English language. And lastly, I would like to say that English at the workplace is a very effective institute of Hazaribagh.
Is QCY Airport, and I have used it when I listen to music, and also when I watch video I put it. We can use it anywhere if we are driving, if we are in crowded place. By and by, if I talk about how do I have this device, so I bought it from online source, from Amazon, rupees 1000 approx. And when I use when I was in first year in my college, and I'm enjoying it because it has a better sound quality. Also, let's talk about its specifications. So there are lots of specifications. It has a true micro wireless earbud.
Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you. So today in this video I am going to describe about my coffee mug. So first of all, I would like to thank one of the skill trainers, who is Mr. Ayan sir, who has given me this opportunity. So here I have a coffee mug, you can see it, and it is very precious for me because my father has gifted for me. And if I talk about the price of this coffee mug, then the price of this coffee mug is 350 rupees, and it made of ceramics. I think that you all are familiar with ceramics. Ceramics is inorganic material that all coffee mugs are usually made of ceramics. Since it is durable and it won't be melt when it is in contact with hot soup, coffee and cocoa and tea. But metal, glass and copper are also used to make coffee mug, but they are typically designed for cold and alcoholic drinks. And if I talk about the height of this coffee mug, then the height of this coffee mug is I think about 7 centimeter, and the weight of this
of the punctual person. Moving towards my experience and my experience and my but I remember not just someone who beginning. Moving towards my hobbies, I like to practice with my friends to improve my communication skills and to improve my thoughts. Sharing about my goals and now preparing to give as well as I gave.